Hello everyone, welcome to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download Among Us in your PC. Now I will show you the easy process of how you can download Among Us on your PC. Please watch the video till the very end to know how you can easily download it. Now open any browser on your PC. Once you open your new tab, you type in Among Us in PC, then tap on enter. Now you will see at the very first the web page to download the Among Us. Click on it. Now before you download Among Us, you need to download a BlueStack app for the downloading process. You just click on download BlueStack, tap on save file, you click and open the file. Here you click on install now. Once the BlueStack is downloaded, you will be able to download Among Us on your PC as well. Once you see there, you will see the option of Among Us. Now get logged in, click on sign in. Here you provide your Google account details, that is type in the email address of yours first. Click on next. Now type in the password for your account, then click on next. Click on I agree. Click on accept. Now you will see the option of install right after you get logged in into your account. You tap on install. You can see the Among Us application has been downloaded in your PC. Now you just need to tap open and the app will be opened on your PC as well. This is the one way of how you can download Among Us app in your PC. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how you can download Among Us app for your PC. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.